Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all the new designs which have just launched in my SVG shop today as part of the brand new Winter Mega Bundle. This is my final seasonal theme bundle for the year and I'm excited to be sharing it with you today. If you're looking for some beautiful winter papercraft projects, I've got you covered. And best of all, the Winter Mega Bundle is on sale for the rest of the month, meaning you get extra savings on top of what's already a fabulous deal. But what is the Winter Mega Bundle? Well, quite simply, it's a whole ton of digital cut files designed especially for paper crafters. There are layered designs, greetings cards, shadow boxes, and my favourite, this giant sign, perfect for welcoming guests into your home this winter. Let's start by taking a look at the layered designs. First, we have these two children building a snowman. There are lots of layers in this design to make up the details, but it's so worth it when you see it finished. Next is this mug of steaming hot chocolate, complete with a chocolate chip cookie and a gingerbread man. This polar bear is walking across the ice with the beautiful northern lights in the sky. We're still on the polar bear theme, but this one definitely has the cute factor. The parent and baby polar bears are filled with snowflake patterns for an extra wintry feel. This is one for the sports fans amongst you. This skier is making his way down the mountain at top speed. I love making owl crafts and have made lots of different ones in the past, but I think this snowy owl in flight outshines them all as it looks so realistic. Winter flowers are perfect for adding a pop of colour into your home for those long dark nights. I cut these poinsettias in pink instead of red for an even more feminine, delicate touch. All dog owners will know how this feels, having to get wrapped up warm against the elements to take the dog for a walk. The little dachshund seems to be having a lovely time though, despite the snow. Finally, we have these two winter-themed gnomes. These match perfectly with all the other gnomes in my SVG shop, and I love how warm and cosy they look in their woolly hats and scarves. That makes 10 layered designs in total, which would usually retail for $50 in my shop. But I said this is a mega bundle, right? Which means you get to save money. In fact, the total value of the Winter Mega Bundle would be $187 if you bought all the files individually. However, the Mega Bundle retails for just $67 or $47 if you buy before the end of October. And if you're a Craft Clubhouse member, then you can save an additional $10 on top of that. Just log into your Craft Clubhouse account to get your discount code. Should we take a look at some more designs? Next up are these 4 layered shadow box cut files. I love making shadow boxes as they make inexpensive home decor that can easily be switched out between seasons. The first shadow box is this ice skater design with lots of large snowflakes around the edge of the frame. Next, we have a wolf silhouette howling at the moon with lots of details in the background. The design sits in the shape of a wolf's head for an unusual shadowing effect. The third shadow box is this warm and cosy winter cottage with lights shining through the windows. And finally, we have a cat staring at the snow outside the living room window, or maybe he's looking at the cardinal bird perched on the windowsill. As well as shadow boxes, the Winter Mega Bundle contains 6 layered greetings card designs. This one is my favourite, with a collection of cardinal birds and a delicate mandala pattern in the background. This winter gnome comes in a close second. It's a quick and simple card to make, but definitely has the cute factor. I love poinsettia flowers, so of course I had to include a greetings card version too. This snowflake design is the simplest of all the cards, but it sure has an impact with strong colours. These 2 winter bunnies are surveying their countryside kingdom in this adorable card design. Finally, there is this winter robin design. I love his cute little footprints in the snow. Okay, so what are we up to now? 10 layered designs, 4 shadow boxes, 6 layered greetings cards. All of that for only $47 until the end of October. And we're still not done. The Winter Mega Bundle also contains a full layered alphabet with a snowflake theme. You get the full A to Z alphabet, 0 to 9 numbers, and punctuation too. This alphabet alone retails for $37, so getting the whole bundle for $47 is an amazing deal. There are also 10 cut and fold greetings card designs. These are an unusual style of card where your cutting machine makes single line cuts that you then fold back on themselves to make a pop-out effect. Choose from winter flowers, snowflakes, trees, and more, including another beautiful owl. And now we're on to the very last item in the Winter Mega Bundle, and it's definitely the most impressive. This giant wall art sign measures 20 inches wide, but the bottom layers come in sections so it can be cut from regular 12 by 12 US letter or A4 card on a standard sized cutting mat. It comes without the text on the front, so you can add whatever message you want to the middle. This is a really impressive papercraft project to welcome all your guests into your home in style. And that takes us nicely to the end of the designs for this winter mega bundle. To view all the designs featured in this video in more detail, or to purchase the bundle, visit craftwithsarah.com/bundle-winter. The entire Winter Mega Bundle collection is available for only $47 until the end of October. After that, the price will rise to $67. And don't forget, if you're a Craft Clubhouse member, you can save an additional $10 off that purchase price. Log into your Craft Clubhouse account to get the discount code. All the designs are also available to purchase individually, so if you're only after a couple of designs, check out craftwithsarah.com/shop instead. I really hope you like the designs that I've shown you in this video. If you make any of them, I'd love it if you emailed me a photo or posted it in my Facebook group. If you have any questions about the Winter Mega Bundle, leave a comment on this video or email sarah@craftwithsarah.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!